your heart's desire, and now you are our Miss Universe Philippines. I do believe that there's destiny. The destiny awaits you. It's just you just have to be ready to grab it, kumbaga. So you do what you can do. The other half, you leave it to fate. And andito naman natin mga prayer warriors.
Yes.
Diba? We will be praying na yung destiny ibigay na kay Atisa. And I'll be praying for you. I'll be there cheering for you because feeling ko, Thailand, alam mo na, our lucky charm. And it might be you, Atisa. So I'm really, really happy that you waited. I'm really, really happy that you tried again. And nung nadapa ka sa stage, medyo talagang sabi ko, but when you stood up, na like nothing happened, and when you were asked that question, sabi ko, wala na. She's my winner. And so I'm very happy for you. I hope that you continue to make us proud. Huwag ka lang masyadong ma-pressure. I know a lot of fans love you, and because they love you, they will really try to push you. But I hope you take it positively. Not every girl will have that same kind of support. But still, I always say this, it's your journey. Do what you think is good for you. Nobody else can say, oh, dapat ganito. It should be your decision. This is once in a lifetime. So I hope that you make the right decisions and you stick with it. No matter how many people are saying, don't do this. Kung ano nasa puso mo, don't do it. Mama J?
Tapos sabihin
Pero sabihin mo rin sa amin, para hindi kami magulat.